We have a variety of Swan Morton knives and blades, all made in Sheffield, fantastically sharp. This one here, we can literally use him and put the blade back out of the way again. The one I use most of the time is this number 3 handle with a 10A blade. I will use this for my general marking out and veneer cutting. If I'm doing dovetails and I've got to mark either side of my tails, I tend to use the number 4 handle with a number 26 blade. It's physically longer and you can get between very, very fine dovetails for your marking out. They're amazingly sharp, but they do need to be changed over for replacement blades. Best way to do it, wear some goggles or glasses because they can be quite brittle. Just take a pair of pincers, lift him on the back of the blade, lift and twist it up slightly and slide him off and get a fresh blade to put on there. In the handle there's a little tiny groove, and what you want to do is get that so it slots into, or your blade slots into that groove. Push him down and he's clipped on and we're good to go with a load of cutting again.